Hey guys, welcome to at 350 Fahrenheit. I'm your host Suru for today. So guys, it's this beautiful season of Christmas and holidays and I can't get enough of baking cookies. So today I baked these adorable looking Christmas crinkle cookies. These are red and green Christmas cookies and don't they look just so cute and adorable? I love how magical these crinkle looks and trust me friends, these are so easy to bake and they are beyond delicious. So let's quickly get baking. So friends, I'm gonna make the red and green cookie dough simultaneously. So I'm gonna need 2 cups of flour each for each of the cookie doughs, and I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to both of them, as well as half teaspoon of baking soda, as well as half teaspoon of baking powder. These are the only dry ingredients which are gonna used in these cookie. I'm gonna whisk all of these dry ingredients together until combined. Next, starting with the wet ingredients, I'm going to use half cup of granulated sugar for each of the cookie dough, as well as half cup of melted unsalted butter for both the cookie doughs, as well as half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for both the cookie doughs, and 2 tablespoon of whole milk for both the cookie doughs. So I'm using whole milk here to combine everything. You can use one large egg for each of the cookie dough, or else you can use almond milk or 2% milk in this process. Then I'm gonna add red and green food color and then combine everything together to make my red and green cookie dough. So there you go friends, you can see how wonderful my cookie doughs are looking. They are soft to touch and they are not too sticky. So I'm gonna roll all individually each of the cookie dough and then I'm gonna dust it with granulated sugar. Now this is the most important thing about making a crinkle cookie. Your cookie dough should be absolutely covered in granulated sugar. It's not gonna stick at first, but you gotta do like this. You gotta dust it constantly with the granulated sugar. As you keep dusting with the sugar is gonna enter into the small crevices of the cookie dough, and slowly when they are gonna bake, they are gonna come out beautiful with those crinkles. So you can see how wonderfully I'm coating the cookie dough with the granulated sugar. If required, I would ask you to coat them again and again in the granulated sugar. After coating the cookie doughs in the granulated sugar, I'm gonna dust it off a little bit so that it's not all white, and then I'm gonna place them in the baking dish and bake my cookies at 350 Fahrenheit for just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes and these cookies will be baked to perfection. Don't worry, friends, you do not even have to flat them out and they're gonna turn just gorgeous. And look how wonderful my crinkle cookies came out. Don't the crinkle just look magical? I feel there's something so magical about these crinkle cookies. They look so cute. Kids love them, even adults love them. These cookies are as pretty to look at and so delicious to taste. They are in that perfect red and green color which we love for Christmas, and they look so cute. I really love these cookies, friends. I hope you enjoyed learning about this crinkle cookie recipe. If you have any doubts or comments, you can comment below, or you can hop on to my blog at 350F and comment there as well. You can find the full recipe in the description box below as well as in my blog at 350F. Thank you so much for your time, friends. Bon appetit. Happy holidays.